After whole day of working, we are very tired, me and George over here, my cousin, and we are waiting now for the meat to cook. As you see, it doesn't look pretty deep, but it took a lot of work and a lot of effort to dig out this. So the concept of the shelter is that I wanted some kind of shelter which will be low profile and which would be hidden from like general eye in the public, because I am not in the mountains, I am in the woods next to my city. That's why quite a few people walk here, they hike here on weekends and stuff like that. And last 2 times when I built my shelters and kind of camps, they were taken down, burned and stuff like that. And so this time I want to build something that will be low profile and hidden. So I found this hill. On this hill it is not that steep. It would be better if the hill was a little bit steeper. I will put a roof here and the roof will be moving. So when I am here the roof will be up and there will be 2 sticks in the ground holding it. And when I won't be here the roof will be coming down and this will be hidden. And if you don't come in like 5 or 10 meters, you won't be able to see it, because on top of the roof I will put some moss and the leaves will naturally go on it, also on this ground on the front, and it will be a nice low profile shelter in which I will be able to come, spend the time, I will be able to develop it, I will be able to upgrade it and make it even better and comfortable, and this will be kind of start of a new series of videos. The meat is getting a little bit burned, but it's okay. But here are the tools which we used. Originally there was this big shovel which we carried it all the way in the woods, but the handle broke, so I will have to change the handle for that. I don't know how it is called in English. I think it is pickaxe or something like that, I don't remember, sorry. I brought in the head and I made the very simple handle. As you see, it doesn't fit good, but when I hit the ground it got jammed and it did the work. That was very delicious. Whole day of hard work was actually very much worth it. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that bell icon to get notified for more awesome videos with me and Rob over there. I think part 2 of this video, where I will be making the roof and maybe even the bed if I will have enough time, will be on next Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern time. And I'm also thinking to do kind of random Monday videos where I post videos about not bushcraft related stuffs, maybe stuff that I make or a few awesome projects that I have on my mind. So I hope I will be able to do that. And if you would be interested in that kind of videos, please comment down below and